once I have all of them mixed together, then I just apply this all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it out with the damp beauty blender. So once you have that all blended out, I like to brighten underneath the eyes and kind of in the center of my face. So I like to use the concealer in Scarlet. After applying that underneath the eyes and the center of the face, I like to set that with a powder. Today I'm going to be using a translucent powder, and this is the Touch Behold setting powder. Now it's time to get into bronzer, and I'm going to be using a matte eyeshadow in the color Gullible to start out my contour with. And I like to blend it out with a fluffy powder brush, and this is the Powder Puff brush. Once you have that all blended out, I like to add a bronzer, and I'm going to be using the Beachfront bronzer in Malibu. And then we are going to blend that all out again really quick. So now what I'd like to do is add some blush, and I'm going to use a really nice simple color blush, and I'm going to be using the color Sweet, and this is the Moonstruck Mineral Pressed Blusher. Now I'd like to add Luminizer, and I'm using a cream luminizer, and this is the Touch Cream to Powder Luminizer in the shade Benevolent, and I like to apply this right above the blush on my upper cheekbones, underneath the brows, down the center of the nose, and right on the Cupid's bow. Now it's time for brows, and I'm going to be using the Splurge eyeshadow cream in Unfazed, and we're going to fill our eyebrows in with this. I'm going to be using the Dip and Draw in Perfect, which is black. Once your eyeliner is dry, then we are going to grab a beautiful bronzy color, and I'm using the shade Manipulative from my custom quad eyeshadow palette. And now we're going to take that same color, and we're going to apply that underneath the lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking my custom 8 palette eyeshadow, and I'm going to be taking the color Lively, and we're going to be putting this right in the center of the lid. and we're going to be taking the color Alive, and we're going to put that in the inner corners of the eye. I'm going to be taking a black matte eyeshadow from my Addiction Palette 3. Right here. Little brush we used before to apply that copper color underneath. Copper color. And you're going to kind of blend out that black color. Kind of. We're going to blend it out. We're going to apply a black pencil eyeliner, and this is the Moodstruck Precision Pencil Eyeliner in Perfect. I've been absolutely obsessed with magnetic eyelashes, so I'm going to be using magnetic eyelashes today, and I'm going to be using the long 2 magnetic eyelashes from Lil Lashes. You want to take the top piece here, and we're just going to pop this on the top, and we're going to line it up exactly where we want it. Make sure it's as far back on your lid as possible. And we're just going to take the bottom piece and line up the magnets, and you're good to go. So I do not like to put mascara on these because then you're going to have to clean them and then you're going to glue your 2 eyelashes together. We don't want to do that. If you want them more dramatic, I just grab my eyelash curler and I curl them a little bit. Eyes, I like to apply a little bit more of the Epic mascara on the lower lashes just so that they pop a little bit more. I'm going to be using Sublime liquid lipstick and Pouty lip liner, and I'm just going to line my lips quick with the lip liner, and then we're going to fill them in. I like to set my lipstick with a setting powder. This keeps it on all day and keeps it from smudging and smearing. So I'm going to be using the Touch Behold setting powder that we used before under the eyes. This is the finished look. Beautiful bronzy eye, smoky eye with a beautiful subtle nude lip. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and let me know that you watched the video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more videos. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye!
So good. This right here is so good. I've been thinking about it this whole YouTube video. It's just been sitting there looking at me. He was calling me.